When IPL hits play again, Delhi Capitals and Royal Challengers Bengaluru might be in for a reality check so hard, even the points table will need a neck brace. अभी तक तो सब सही चल रहा था. DC is alive and kicking, RCB is in full redemption mode, but क्या आगे भी ऐसा ही चलेगा? इसकी कोई गारंटी नहीं है. Following the India-Pakistan conflict, Australian cricketers flew back home. And four of their top stars, Mitchell Starc, Josh Hazlewood, Pat Cummins and Travis Head, might not return when the tournament resumes. Now you might be thinking that border tension might be the reason, but no, twist कुछ और ही है. Had that been the case, तो भाई टिम डेविड, जॉश इंग्लिश और मार्कस स्टोइनिस जैसे बाकी ऑजी क्रिकेटर्स भी तो अपने घर गए हैं, but they are expected to return. Then what's the real reason? The World Test Championship Final, Lords, June 11. अब उसके पहले इंडिया वापस आना, हीट में IPL मैचेस खेलना and then fly back and quickly switch to red ball mode. That's the ultimate combo of physical plus mental burnout. मगर फिर भी क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने डिसीजन प्लेयर्स पर ही छोड़ दिया है. They will support them in their individual decisions whether to return to India or not. But here's the real problem. Josh Hazlewood is nursing an injury and उनका रिटर्न मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. RCB is expected to make the cut, but without their bowling का ब्रह्मास्त्र, going all the way might feel less like a playoff run and more like a parachute jump without the parachute. Cummins and Head might skip the remainder of the IPL as SRH is already out. और अगर स्टार्क नहीं आते तो ये DC के लिए तो सुनामी अलर्ट है. He has been the anchor of their bowling attack and if Starc doesn't show up तो वो दिल्ली के playoff hopes को एक बड़ा झटका होगा. IPL second half promises a lot of drama. अब देखना ये है कौन आएगा, कौन रहेगा और कौन सिर्फ WhatsApp पे all the best boys लिख के काम चला लेगा.